Okay, so I'm beginning to feel a little overwhelmed in my head and my body, so I will go for a stroll. And this is one of my favorite spots to walk here. It's enchanting and absolutely beautiful. And most definitely one of the magical spots around Tacoma. And thanks, Daniel, if you watch this. You brought me here a few years ago. You and Lance, and it's definitely one of my very favorite spots. I love it. Unfortunately, kids like to graffiti on the trees down here. It's mindless, but it's okay. The trees will get through it. Really, really relaxing. The only thing that's not relaxed is my hand holding the phone. And I'll have to change that in a second. But I'd like to share. I'm going to do this stroll here a couple times. Put my umbrella up. All right, there we go. Get my little ring. Yeah, here we go. You know, I learned years ago from my dad that you get a stinging nettle on you, which are stinging nettles around here. You grab a piece of a fern and you rub it until you get some of the wetness from the fern, and then you rub it on the stinging nettle, and it'll help cure the stinging. So, nature cures nature within the same vicinity of where it grows. I don't know if cure is the right word, But at least regarding to pain a human may experience from and stinging nettles can be painful. Anybody that's ever had one. Alright, so I'm going to cross this. No, I'm kidding. I won't do that. Surely to fall off. Though, I got my boots on. Might be able to tread through a little bit of water. We'll see here. Keep going. Look at that. Oh, Lord. But you know what? This tree will flourish anyway. So, tag all you want, you little fuckers. But, yeah. I guess you could look at that poetically, huh? It's called ignorance. Ignorance to the own chaos of your thoughts. Your own chaos gets projected onto what you should be learning from as beauty, inherent, infinite stillness, true intelligence that stands forever. I'm talking about the trees. Got to be a little jealous of Mary Poppins at this point. Got an umbrella like this one. Look at that. I could only take off like a rocket pack with my umbrella. I would. Soar above these beautiful alders, whatever they are. I think they're alders. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is magical. This is magical. For sure. There's something about when the rain stops and the light is in the moss. See, I don't know if you can see this. And there's droplets of water. And that droplet of water on the end of the branch there. And you can see them. I just can see them. You know, there. See the droplets of water. They reflect. I can see in the droplet of water a reflection. It's reflecting everything right side up, I guess. Because to me it'd be upside down, but isn't that correct? Like we see things upside down? Oh, fucking beautiful. Alright. I better raise my heart rate here. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. And hey, to the dude, hello, I read your message, and it's gonna type you back, but depending on when I read it, I might not always be, read a message, I might not always be in the mood to write back. But thank you. I hope Texas is doing all right. I love Texas. I mean, lots of fun in Austin and Houston and Dallas. And Fort Worth. I don't remember Fort Worth really. That was like one night. Load levelers played with Zeke there. And yeah, that was just a quick drive through. But anyway, that's my experience of Texas. I always wanted to go all the way down to the Gulf. I still have never been to the Gulf of Mexico, so I want to do that. Anyway, back to the park. Okay, so maybe I can walk across here without having to walk in water too deep. Now this tree fell. This wasn't fallen before, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure. Alright, so how beautiful is this? See, this is the type of thing, I don't know if you guys can grasp this from where you are, but the green of this is like, it's just beautiful. It's like it's glowing. It really is. I mean, it's just, this place is just, whoa! Whoa, look at these roots. Holy moly. Look at this. Wow. Wow. That is absolute. They're going to probably chop this up. But that's just, wow. It really is fucking amazing. Okay, come on, umbrella. Hold tight, buddy. Hold tight. I asked for a Mary Poppins experience, but hold on, man. Not yet. Woo! Wow. Wind just picked up. If I blow away like frickin' Wizard of Oz, man. I want to go to the Wizard of Oz. Take me to the Wizard of Oz. There you go. Look at that. Oh, Lord. I mean, do they just, like, I can't wait to carve my name in a tree. I mean, or spray paint my tag on a tree. Is that really because it's, because if they do it on a wall now they'll get caught? Is that, come down here and do it? Is that your deal? My Lord, man. Oh. It's just a... It is baffling. Okay, never mind. Wow, look at that. Again, you can see the reflection in the drop. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. Hello.
Like a tree that had too much acidity inside of it and you tried to graft like that?
Yep.
I bet you the tree.
Alright, well that's it. Doesn't feel like it's been 20 minutes. My phone only videotapes for 20 minutes, I think. Oh no, it keeps going. Well, that's probably enough for now.